Greetings and salutations, folks. I'm Josh from Layzee Acres. Thank you for tuning in. We are saving the world here, one trailer at a time. Today, we're going to take a look at a 2024 Keystone, Montana High Country model number 373 RD. Lifted front bedroom, sunken kitchen, and dining room with a lifted rear living room with all kinds of outside storage, weighing 13,500 pounds. This one's making my hands sweaty. I'm here with my friend, that Dutch bad boy, Brendan Hannemeyer, on the camera today. Say hello, Brendan.
What's going on, happy campers, future campers, and fellow salespeople? Thank you so much for tuning into the #1 RV YouTube channel in the world. Montana always brings some awesome features, so we're excited to bring them to you. We got a like and subscribe button just sitting there. You might as well click it. We're also on Instagram. We're on TikTok. And we're also on Facebook. We're producing some other short videos there. Maybe check those out as well. Enjoy this video.
Right on, Brandon. There's a lot of optional equipment here on these Montana High Countries. One of them that's standard is the front bunks on the front cap. Those are no charge. We got a rotating road armor pin box right in through here, which is going to shift like that front to back, help eliminate some of that chucking. The cap itself is pretty awesome with a mirror so you can see yourself latch into place. The cap wraps around the corners, giving you a very, very nice positive seal. We've got a rougher style storage underneath our gooseneck there, and there's your battery storage in through there. This one has the optional 400i with the lithium batteries. Here's our bed slide, and that's going to pull our bed off the floor. We're 6-point electric auto leveling controls are right through here. We've got 30-pounder propane tanks, one on either side. And then this is just the start of the storage, Brendan. Look at this drop frame pass-through storage we got in through here. We've got an LED light strip in the top, which is new for 24. We're heated off the furnace. Some more like TV hookups and stuff like that on the other side. And then right here's our convenience center where we have our gate valves, our low point drains, our black water flush kit, winterizing, city water connection, outside shower, motion sensitive light right through there, key TV, and then these are slam latch doors. So what do we do, Brendan?
Slam them.
Furnace vent, 12-gallon gas, electric water heater, 16-inch Saloon tires, road armor suspension to match up with that road armor pin box, additional gates out back here for our kitchen, and then here's the start of our rear storage, which is pretty killer. All right, goes into that, like it kind of ends right here with this aluminum framing, but you can see all this huge pass-through storage we got in there. 50 amp detachable style cord. We've got a roof ladder. Get up on your roof, check your seals every 90 days. It's a one-piece roof, which is just how I like my grandmother's bathing suits. Here at the back, we've got this morgue tray. Pulling it all the way. That's a lot of depth in through there, Brendan. I would say 10 feet on that tray alone. Looking for some feedback here, Brendan.
It's a long tray.
It's a long tray. 8 to 10 feet.
Yeah.
We're gonna hedge our bets there a little bit. Around the door side, we've got another slide right through here, pulling our living room off the floor. Some shallow storage here, but that does wrap around to the corner there. You can see proof of all the aluminum framing on this guy too. Our electric awning starts here, goes all the way forward. We got LED lights in the awning, outside speakers, 4-step, secure step all the way up to the top there. That is pulley assisted, so it's nice and easy to get in. Lend-a-hand grab handle, and then right here's just the other side of our pass-through storage. Mr. Hannemeyer, do you have anything to add?
Let's check out the travel access.
Let's check out the travel access. Slides are still closed. So you can see here we can get to our fridge here quite easily. And then we can hop up into our bedroom and our bathroom all with a slide that's closed. Let's get this thing opened up. Right on, folks. We're inside that 373 RD. You're standing down in the, the dinette kitchen area, looking up into our rear living room, which is, open concept and yet separated, which is kind of a great combination. We've got opposing slides right here with opposing trifold sofas. They're both going to pull out, act as secondary beds. We got windows all around the door side, the off-door side, some small ones here at the back, so it doesn't really matter where you're parked. You're going to have a nice view. Here at the very back, we've got some cupboard space. We have our fireplace. We have our JBL sound system. Some more cupboard space on the other side. Connect TV. Looks like you can hook up to your subscription services through that. Cupboard space right across the top. And again, nice windows here on both sides of these couches. And then right here we have our electric reclining action. So basically you're going to push a button, recline those out. We got the removable cup holders here, Brendan, just for snuggling up with that special friend you've got. Now looking down into our kitchen dining area on the left hand side here, we've got 4-seater freestanding table and chairs. You can actually still options with a booth dinette if you want to. Nice big windows out in the slide. And then nice, what would you call these chairs, Brendan? Just simple, nice dinette chairs?
Yeah, table chairs.
Yeah, I just really like them. I'm going to take this piece off here so you can see the full piece.
I like all the gray through this unit.
Yeah, it's very gray and bright in through here. There is an extension here on the tabletop, and then they've gone to the Furrion 16 cubic foot 12 volt fridge, which I meant to have unlocked before this video started.
It's always a lot of turns. Ooh.
There we go. So we got the fridge on the right, freezer on the left, and no matter what kind of Montana you get or Keystone product right now, you're going to get at least a 200 watt solar panel, so that's going to be charging the battery. And then the battery's going to be running the fridge. This one, like I mentioned, has the 400i, so we got two 200 watt panels and the inverter on this one. We got solid surface here, a couple of small drawers, a couple of small cabinets. Great spot, I'm thinking there for shoes, Brendan. You got a receptacle here so you can charge some stuff while you're charging your phone, that kind of thing. Here's our main door, bedroom, bathrooms that way. But look at this kitchen space we have. We don't have an island, so we still have a lot of floor space. But look at all the kitchen we've got in through here. We've got the upgraded Furrion range, 3-burner stovetop. Now, it's a little bit wider than we're used to seeing, so you actually get, 3 smaller pots and pans in through here. We've got a nice big oven down below. Is that an oven drawer, you think, Brad?
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. That's quite nice in through there. 4 drawers. Full extension drawer guides, and we've got the LED lights here underneath the countertop, which lights up those drawers nicely for you. Cupboard space down and through there. Garbage can location, that's also where they store the solid surface sink inserts. Another cupboard there. Yeah, really nice stainless steel sink. You get a big sink over here on the left, smaller sink on the right, solid surface even up here. Kind of dividing the living room from the kitchen space. Knife block right there. 3 shelves here, Brendan.
Appreciate it.
Nicely done, folks.
Ooh. I knew I was missing a light somewhere.
I knew it too. Nice oven in through there. I wonder where the light switches be.
There's so many lights.
Oh, just those are there. Huh.
We're missing these lights.
I know, I'm looking for them. That's okay. Plenty bright in here, you know what I mean?
Very bright.
Coming up into the hallway here, we do have a closet that you can hang up your coats as you come in the door. And then here is our switches. I like how we still have the regular, toggle switches instead of the screen. And then up into the bathroom here, porcelain toilet, backing things up. The dump truck fits. Nice big drawers here to my left. Cupboard space there. Cupboard space there. Seamless countertops now in the bathroom, and then medicine cabinet on either side of our smaller cabinet. You won't be able to see that, Pete. That's okay. Come on in the washroom. Nice fiberglass shower in through here with a seat. I can sit down and shave my legs. I'm 6 feet tall. You can tell I fit in the shower quite nicely. And then we've got this linen closet here behind the main door. And I like how we have an actual magnet here keeping this door open if you need to, and great travel access while you're on the road. King size bed out in the slide, windows on both sides of the bed, nice lights over top of the bed. You also miss those ones, Brendan. Receptacles on either side with the CPAP kind of shelves in through there. And then we have this great front closet. Bar that comes right across the top, shelf right through here. Missed the light too, Brendan. And then we've got our laundry in through there. So you can put a stackable in here, there's no doubt. You can, or you can save space and just put the combo unit. Another light you missed, Brendan. And then we've got 6 drawers here in our dresser. Really, really nice stuff. And then we will have storage here underneath the bed with our central vac accessories. That's the video. Hit the like button, the subscribe button. Hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Leave us a comment down below. Have yourself a good day.